चरितामृत आदिलीला नवम परिच्छेद। এই আজ্ঞা কইল যদি চৈতন্য মালাকার, এই আজ্ঞা কইল যদি পরম আনন্দ পাইল বৃক্ষ পরিবার, পরম আনন্দ পাইল যেই যাতানান করি প্রেম ফল, যেই ফলা স্বাদে মত লোক হইল সকল, ফলা স্বাদে মত লোক আজ্ঞা কইল যদি চৈতন্য মালাকার, পরম আনন্দ পাইল বৃক্ষ পরিবার। Translation by Srila Prabhupada. The descendants of the tree, the devotees of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, were very glad to receive this order directly from the Lord. Purport by Srila Prabhupada. It is the desire of Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu that the benevolent activities of the Sankirtan movement, which was inaugurated 500 years ago in Navadip, be spread all over the world for the benefit of all human beings. Unfortunately, there were many so-called followers of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu who are satisfied simply to construct a temple, make a show of the deities, collect some funds and utilize them for eating and sleeping. There is no question of their preaching the cult of this Chaitanya Mahaprabhu all over the world. But even though they are unable to do so, if anyone else does it, they become envious. This is the condition of the modern followers of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. The age of Kali is so strong that it affects even the so-called followers of Lord Chaitanya. At least the followers of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu must come out of India to preach his cult all over the world. For this is the mission of Lord Chaitanya. The followers of Lord Chaitanya must execute his will with heart and soul, being more tolerant than the tree and humbler than the straw in the street. যেই যাহা তাহা দান করে প্রেম ফল, ফলা স্বাদে মত্ত লোক হইল সকল। The fruit of love of God is so tasteful that wherever a devotee distributes it, those who relish the fruit anywhere in the world immediately become intoxicated. Here the wonderful fruit of love of Godhead distributed by Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is described. We have practical experience that anyone who accepts this fruit and sincerely tastes it immediately becomes mad after it and gives up all his bad habits, being intoxicated by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's gift, the Hare Krishna Mahamantra. The statements of Chaitanya Charitamrita are so practical that anyone can taste them. As far as we are concerned, we are most confident of the success of the distribution of the great fruit of love of Godhead through the medium of chanting Mahamantra, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama. Nana bine emana sati প্রেম বলি নাম অতি অদ্ভুত সুত হইল কারো কানে, প্রেম বলি নাম অতি অদ্ভুত সুত হইল কারো কানে, প্রেম বলি শ্রীকৃষ্ণ নামের সগুণ মহিমা কে বাজা নাই তো আরো শ্রীকৃষ্ণ নামের বৃন্দা বিপিনের মহামাধুরীমা প্রবেশ হইত কারো বৃন্দা বিপিন কে বাজা নাই তো রাধার মাধুরী রস যশ চমৎকার কে বাজা নাই তার অনুভব সাত্বিক বিকার গোচর ছিল বাকার তার অনুভব ব্রজে যে বিলাস রাস মহারাস প্রেম পর কিয়া তত্ত্ব ব্রজে যে গোপীর মহিমা ব্যভিচারী সীমা কারো গতি ছিল তো গোপীর মহিমা উত্তম অধম কিছু না বাছিল যাচিয়ে দিলে ককুল উত্তম অধম উত্তম অধম কিছু না বাছিল যাচিয়ে দিলে ককুল উত্তম অধম কিছু না কহি প্রেমানন্দ ইমন গৌরাঙ্গী হৃদয় ধরিয়া বলো কহি প্রেমানন্দ ইমন ভজ গৌরাঙ্গ কহ গৌরাঙ্গ ল গৌরাঙ্গের নাম রে ভজ গৌরাঙ্গ কহ গৌরাঙ্গ ভজ গৌরাঙ্গ কহ গৌরাঙ্গ ল গৌরাঙ্গের নাম রে ভজ গৌরাঙ্গ কহ গৌরাঙ্গ যে জনা গৌরাঙ্গ ভোজে সে হই আমার প্রাণ রে যে জনা গৌরাঙ্গ সে হই আমার প্রাণ রে যে জনা গৌরাঙ্গ ভোজে সে হই আমার প্রাণ রে যে জনা হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরি হরি রাম 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 হরি 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 হরে কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ হরি হরি রাম 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 হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরি 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 রাম 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 হরি হরি হরে কৃষ্ণ হরি আমি পশিল গো কানে আকুল করিল মোর প্রাণ আকুল আকুল করিল মোর প্রাণ আকুল করি কে বাসুনা ইল শ্যাম নাম সহি কে বাসুনা না জানি কেতে কো মধু শ্যাম নামে আছে গো না জানি কেতে কো মধু শ্যাম নামে আছে গো বদন ছাড়িতে নাহি পারে বদন ছাড়িতে নাহি পারে সহি বদন ছাড়িতে নাহি পারে জপিতে নাম আবেশ করিল গো জপিতে জপিতে নাম জপিতে জপিতে নাম আবেশ করিল গো জপিতে জপিতে নাম আবেশ কেমনি পাইব সখী তারে কেমনি পাইব সখী তারে সহি কেবা শুনাইল শ্যাম নাম কানের ভিতর দিয়া মরমি পশিল গো কানের ভিতরে দিয়া মরমি পশিল আকুল করিল মোর প্রাণ আকুল করিল মোর প্রাণ কেবা শুনাইল শ্যাম নাম মহামন্ত্র এই তো স্বভাব কৃষ্ণ যেই জপে তার কৃষ্ণে উপজয়ী ভাব যেই জপে প্রেমার স্বভাবে করে চিত তনু ক্ষোভ প্রেমার স্বভাবে করে চিত তনু কৃষ্ণের চরণ প্রাপী উপজয়ী লোভ কৃষ্ণর চরণ সেই কৃষ্ণ নাম প্রভু গায় না সেই কৃষ্ণ নাম প্রভু আসি নাচি নাহি আমি আপন ইচ্ছায় আসি নাচি নাহি আমি হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরি 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 রাম 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 হরি হরে হরে কৃষ্ণ one should understand it very well. There is no question of envious of it. My revered spiritual master has expressed it with much distress, much pain in heart. There is no question of their preaching the cult of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu all over the world. Unfortunately, there are so many followers of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu who are satisfied simply to construct a temple, make a show of the deities, collect some funds and utilize it for eating and sleeping. There is no question of their preaching the cult of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu all over the world. But even though they are unable to do so, if anyone else does it, they become envious. They become envious. This is modern. This age of Kali. This is the condition of the modern followers of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. They are not real Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's followers. Kali Chela. They are followers of Kali. They are followers of Kali. They are not the followers of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Kali Chela. There is no question of enviousness in Mahaprabhu's line. Those are pure devotees of Mahaprabhu. They are not envious at all. You should understand this. Again, this fruit of love of God is so tasteful that wherever a devotee distributes it, those who relish the fruit anywhere in the world immediately become intoxicated. Because that is the goal of the human life, to get that prema, that love of Godhead. And what Mahaprabhu gives through chanting this Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. This is what one should understand. This Nama, here Srila Prabhupada says, we have practical experience. Anyone who accepts this fruit, sincerely tastes it, immediately becomes mad after it and gives up all his bad habits, being intoxicated by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's gift, Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Yes, practical experience. This taste, one should have this taste of this mellow that emanates from chanting this pure name, Hare Krishna. Pure name, Hare Krishna. We are saying Mahaprabhu Mahabharanya, most munificent incarnation, who came to give indiscriminately this prema. Indiscriminately. He has never discriminated, whether one is qualified or unqualified. One is worthy to get or not worth at all. Apamoro vitota, even most degraded, more sinful person like Jagai and Madhais, they got. Such munificent is Sriman Mahaprabhu. So we chant. Before we glorify Sriman Mahaprabhu. Uttama adhama kichu na bachila. Jachiye dilo kokol. Ohi premananda yamana gaurangi hudaya dhariyama. Uttama adhama. He never discriminates whether one is uttam or adham. Without discrimination, he offers. He embraces one and all and bestows us mercy upon him. This wonderful mercy. Premananda Das, dear devotee of Mahaprabhu, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, such is Gauranga. You keep this Gauranga in your heart. Keep this Gauranga in your heart. Rupa Goswami has said that thing. We chant that sloka, verse, mantra, before beginning study of Srimad Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita. Hari Purata Sundarati Kadamba Sandipitaha Sada Hrudeya Kandare Spuratuna Sachinandana. That is what we chant. Sada Hrudeya Kandare Spuratuna Sachinandana. Let that Sachinandana, son of Sachimata, Gauranga, they always appear in the heart of all of us. That is what is said here. Chaitanya Mukhad Girna Hare Krishna Ti Varnaka Madjayanti Jagat Premani Vijayatang Tada Vaya. That Hare Krishna Nam coming out from the mouth of Mahaprabhu. Pure name, it floods the whole world with the flood of love. Do you understand? And all inundate in that flood, inundation. This is Premanama Sankirtan, known as Premanam, not mere Nam Sankirtan. Premanam Sankirtan, Sankirtan, Premanam. This Prema is adjective here to Nam Sankirtan. प्रेम नामाद्भुतार्थ श्रवण पथगत कस्य नाम्ना महिम्नः को वेता कस्य वृंदावन विपिन महामाधुरी सुप्रवेश को वा जानाति राधं परमरस चमत्कार माधुर्य सीमा एक चैतन्य चंद्र परम करुणया सर्वो मा विश्चकार प्रबोधानंद सरस्वती पाद has said this thing in Chaitanya Chandramrita. If Srimad Mahaprabhu, Gauranga Mahaprabhu would not have come, would have told us this glory of Srimati Radharani, would have shown us the last limit of that prema rasa, would have preached this thing in the world, throughout the world. Kobadanati radhang paramarasa chamatkar madhurya simang ekos chaitanya chandra parama karunaya sarvo mahavischakar. Only so wonderfully munificent incarnation, merciful incarnation is Gaura Chaitanya Chandra. Only he does it. Again Premananda Das, one Vaishnava, dear devotee of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, sings Emana Sachira Nandana Bine Prema Boli Nama Ati Adobito Suto Hoilo Karo Kane Krishna, Sri Krishna Namera Saguna Mahima Kevadana Itoa Brunda Vipinera Mahabadurima Probeso Hitoka. Without that Sachinandana Gauranga, who would have told us this wonderful premana? We would not have heard such things without such Sachinandan Gauranga. This is the wonderful effect of chanting this pure name of Hare Krishna, that one becomes intoxicated with that love of Godhead, love of Krishna. That Radharani releases. तारो अनुभव सात्विक विकार गोचर छिलवाकार ब्रजे जे विलास रास महाराज प्रेम परकिया तत्व गोपीर महिमा व्यभिचारी सीमा कारगति छिलत. Only by that hint of appearance of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu we could understand now all these things. It came to us. This chief result of chanting Hare Krishna is prema, pure prema. And what is Braja Prema, known as Braja Prema, is Raslila Tattva, Prema Parakiya Tattva, glories of gopis. All this we could understand now. Otherwise we could not have understood without the appearance of Srimad Mahaprabhu. Uttama Adhama kichu na bachila, jachiye dile ko kol, kahe Premananda imana Gaurange hudaya. Mahaprabhu is wonderfully merciful, wonderfully munificent, wonderfully magnanimous. He doesn't discriminate. Uttam and Adham. He embraced one and all and offered this prayer. Therefore, Premananda Das says, keep that Gauranga in your heart and say, Bhaja Gauranga, Kaha Gauranga, love Gauranga, Namare, Je Jana Gauranga Bhaje, Sahoi Amar Pranari. That is what he says. Krishna Name Jananda Sindhu Aswadana Brahmananda Tarage Khato Dakasham Tattva Vastu Krishna Krishna Bhakti Prema Rupa Nama Sankirtana Sava Ananda Swarupa. This is Tattva. If you can chant pure name of Krishna, you should inundate. It's automatic. That one inundates. One drowns himself in unlimited ocean of Premananda. Do you understand? Releases it. Such mellow, nectarian mellow, this Premananda is released. You understand? In front of such releasement, the Brahmananda is so most insignificant. When this Premananda is like an unlimited ocean, Brahmananda is just, what is it? Stick only. You understand? Yes. This Premanam Sankirtanam. Sankirtan Bahurumilitva Kirtanam Sankirtanam. This congregational chanting. Let some devotees, dear devotees of Gauranga Mahaprabhu, assemble together and chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. Pure name, offenseless name. Then Krishna, it is attraction. Krishna is all attractive. Premanam Sankirtan is all attractive. Krishna himself is attracted. The devotees dance, Krishna dances with them. You understand? Devotees dance, being intoxicated with that prema, liquor of prema. That's prema madhira. That is like liquor. You understand? Prema rasa, the mellow that comes out, that emanates from this Premanam Sankirtan is like a liquor. It's not as this liquor. It's transcendental. You understand? And the premi bhaktas, dear devotees, those have gotten that prema. They become intoxicated, mad after it, and they dance. And Krishna dances also with them. Yes, Krishna is attracted. Krishna dances also. All the transcendental leelas of Krishna are manifested there. Yes. Krishnera samagra lila name vidyaman. Parnam Chintamani. Bhaktivinoda Thakur has said. If you really chant pure name, as soon as you chant, utter this name, immediately all beautiful form of Krishna's Yama Sundar form will appear before you. You will see it. Not only the beautiful form, all his transcendental leelas will appear before you. So all the transcendental leelas are there in this name, holy name. Yes. Because this holy name, the pure name is not different from Krishna. That is our tattva. That is our tattva. Then said, this, if someone is fortunate and relishes this, tastes this mellow, nectarian mellow coming out from this chanting of holy name, Hare Krishna, is, what you say, his thirst is not quenched. Rather it increases more and more and more and more. Thirst for drinking, relishing this prema rasa, mellow prema that comes out from chanting of his holy name. And he becomes mad. He becomes so much intoxicated, he completely forgets himself. You understand? It cannot be expressed. But bhav is there. Avarnanya cannot be expressed. The Radharani, that is mood of Radharani. Radharani also, this Radha Bhav. Therefore, Mahaprabhu accepted Radha Bhav. You understand? Assumed the mood of Radharani, complexion of Radharani. You understand? Radharani always thinking of Krishna. Feels thanks, separation from Krishna. That is Vipralamba Bhav. That Bhav is expressed in Mahaprabhu. You understand? Those who are, you might have heard the name of Vaishnava poet known Chandidas. He has expressed that thing. The mood of Radharani, but Radharani says, Sahi keba sunailo syama naam, kaner bhitor diya morame posilo ko akulo korilo morpa. Radharani says to her intimate Sakhi, Visakha, Lalita, Oh, who lets me hear this, oh, nectarian, so sweet, this name of Syama. Huh? It entered into my ear and goes deep to my heart. Akul korilom upon my heart is now. I am crying in the heart. My heart is disturbed now. You understand? Janite, na jani ketako madhu, Syam name ache go. Bodono, charite na par. I don't know, I cannot express. What sweetness is there in this name of Syam? Huh? I don't know, I cannot express. By uttering this name, Syam, Hare Krishna Ram, my mouth, my lips, don't want to leave it. Jopite naam aves korilo go, kemane paibo sudhu. By chanting this nectarian name, I am so much intoxicated, mad. I am now, my heart is crying, how can I get it? And who can help me in getting it? This is what, this is mood of Radharani. Mahaprabhu also says, Krishna Nam Mahamantra Ita Svabha, Jai Jopi, Tar Krishni Upujaya Bhav, Premar Svabhave Kore Chitta Tanu Kyobha, Krishner Charana Prapya Upujaya Lobha, Sei Krishna Nam Prabhu Gave, Nachai, Hasi, Hasi, Nachi, Nahi, Ami, Apana Ichai. Mahaprabhu also says, this is the nature of Krishna Nam Mahamantra. Nature, it's quite natural. One who chants this Krishna Nam, he develops prem bhav. Do you follow my language? Towards Krishna. Premar sohave kore chitta tanu kyobha. Krishner sarana prapya pujaya lobha. Then, when this prem develops, his heart becomes, disturbed, agitated. At the, if you see the agitation of the sea, big waves come out, arise, big agitation. Such agitation in the heart is the agitation out of prema, pure prema. It develops greed for getting that lotus feet of Krishna. Say Krishna Nam Prabhu Gave Nachai. Asi Nachi Nahi Ami Apana Ichai. Mahaprabhu says, I am not dancing, I am not laughing and dancing voluntarily. That prema, by chanting this Hare Krishna, one holy name, such prema, such love arises in the heart. Automatically it makes me dance and laugh and roll on the ground. Automatically, it makes me. I am not voluntarily dancing and laughing and rolling. That prema, that makes me so. Do you follow? That is what Mahaprabhu says. Again, especially in this Kali Yuga, all perfection is achieved through chanting this holy name. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram. Kalir dosanidhi rajanasti eko mahan guna. Kirtanadeva Krishnasya mukta sangha param brajet. 12th canto. Bhagavad says, though this Kali Yuga, most degraded, sinful age, sins or contaminations are like ocean-like, still, Mahan Guna, great boon is there. What is that? Kirtana Deva Krishnasya Mukta Sangha Parambraja. By doing Krishna Kirtan, one can very easily be delivered. Not only delivered, if he can chant pure name, he will get Krishna Prema and Krishna himself. Such boon is there in this Kali Yuga. Do you understand? This is Kali Savanjayantarja Gunagya Saravagina. Jatra Sankirtan Naiva Sarvartho Abhilabhyate. Bhagavatam says. Therefore, Parikshit Maharaj didn't kill Kali because he was a devotee, he knows this thing. If I would kill Kali, then this boon couldn't be achieved, gotten. So he didn't kill. Only by Krishna Sankirtan, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram. All sorts of perfection will be achieved, supreme perfection will be achieved. That is Krishna mankind. Okay? Do you understand? This is name of Krishna. Hari Ram Krishna. Do you understand? This is name of Krishna. It's Krishna's name, not the name of any Ansa or Kala. Do you follow me? Ansa Kala. It is Ansa Kala Punso Krishnastu Bhagavan Swayam. The avatars, all avatars, Raman, Nrsimha, Vamana, they are the portion of Krishna. Ansa, Kala. It's not those names. It's the name of Krishna only. Do you follow? Hari, Krishna, Ram. It's the name of Krishna. It's not name of Ansa or Kala. Do you follow my words? That is what. Only the name of Krishna can. Krishna Nam Sankirtan gives prema. Not other names, Nam Sankirtan, other avatars gives prema. No. Krishna Nam Sankirtan gives prema. Do you follow? That is what. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare Ram, Ram. These names are names of Krishna, not other names. You understand? And by chanting this name that Mahaprabhu chanted, there are two things, Sambhoga and Vipralambha. Two things are there simultaneously. Do you follow me? Sambhoga, union and separation. Two things are simultaneously there. Simultaneously. Viraha mila, ekotra samavesh. Simultaneously two things are there. Union and separation. And Mahaprabhu's form is that form. That is the form of Mahaprabhu. Two things united. Sambhoga and Vipralambha. That Mahaprabhu's form and Mahaprabhu's chanting. And so easy, not so difficult. In Kali Yuga, sadhana is very easy. This is Nam sadhana. Accept Gaura Priya Jana. Accept Gaura Priya Jana. Dear devotee of Gauranga Mahaprabhu. You understand? Was gotten mercy of Gauranga Mahaprabhu. Was gotten Prema already. Was gotten Krishna already. By chanting pure name. You understand? Accepting such a devotee, Vaishnava, Gaura Priya Jana, dear devotee of Gauranga. If you chant this Hare Krishna Mahamantra, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram, under his guidance, strictly following his directions, his instructions, as it is, you must get. Not committing any offense, can chant your name, must get Krishna in this very life. Go back, come back to Godhead. Go back, lotus feet of Krishna and get Krishna in very life. That is guaranteed. Gaura and Krishna, no difference. Krishna is Gaura, Gaura is Krishna. But only difference of mood is there. No other difference. And mood is difference. Do you understand? Gaura has accepted the mood of Radharani. Radha Bhav. This is the only difference. In the form of Gaura, both Krishna and Radha are united. Do you understand? But Radha, Krishna, two bodies are there. But they are now one body. Krishna and Radha united, that is Gaura. This is the only difference, nothing, no other difference is there. You understand? Otherwise there is no difference between Gaura and Krishna. Nanda Sutta boli ja re, Bhagavate gai, sei Krishna avatinna Chaitanya Gosai. Bhagavat says Nanda Sutta, Brajendra Nandana Jai, Sachi Sutta, Oila sei. One who is Brajendra Nandan, son of Nanda Maharaj, is Sachi Sutta, is son of Sachi Mata, no other. Do you understand? Naumi Krishna Swarupam. That was say, Naumi Krishna Swarupam. We pay our obeisances to Gauranga because it's Krishna. It's Krishna Swarupam. But special characteristic is there in Gaura is Radha Bhava Dviti Subhalitam. This is special characteristic. Is Radha Bhava Dviti Subhalitam. Its complexion of Radha, its mood is the mood of Radha. This is the only special characteristic of Gaura. Otherwise, he is Krishna. You understand? That is what. Eki bhutam vapuravatu buradhaya madhavasya. Chaitanya Chandramrita, Prabodhananda Saraswati Tasi. Eki bhutam vapuravapu buradhaya madhavasya. Radha and Madhava, the two bodies become united. That is the body of Gauranga. Ekibhutatanum Gauraha kopi braja virahini bhava magnas chakasti. Chaitanya Chandramrita. Gaura kopi braja virahini bhava magnas chakasti. Is Radha Bhav, as Radha Rani feels acute pang of separation from Krishna. Similar bhav is there in Gaura. You understand? Similar bhav in Gaura. That is only difference in mood. Otherwise, no difference between Gaura and Krishna. Only mood is different. So don't disturb the mood of Gaura. That is very painful. That is what you should understand. This mood, Gaura bhav. Sakhyad Radha Madhuripu Vaprubhati Gauranga Chandra. Radha Madhuripu Vaprubhati. Radha and Krishna, two bodies united. Purport is that Krishna is Gaura and Gaura is Krishna. Gaura Leela is Krishna Leela. Krishna Leela is Gaura Leela. Do you understand? Same thing. But there is, in Tattva, there is no difference. Sriman Nami, Sriman Nam. No difference. There is no difference between name of Krishna and Krishna himself. Similarly, there is no difference in Gaura Tattva and Krishna Tattva. But Purvasmat Parameva Hanta Karunam, this is there. But there is difference in mood. Difference in mood. Gaura's mood is the mood of Radharani. You understand? Not the mood of Krishna. It's the mood of Radharani. You understand? That is the only difference. And Purvasmat Parameva Hanta Karunam. And Gaura is more merciful than Krishna. You understand? Gaura is Krishna. Not different. But is more merciful. In the form of Gaura is more merciful than Krishna. Krupa Vaisistya. That is Krupa Vaisistya. Is more merciful than Krishna. Aswadana Vaisistya. You understand? More relishing. He himself relishes the nectar, chanting his own name. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram. His own name, Krishna's name. He's chanting his own name. He relishes and he distributes it. You understand that? Nectar, Premamrita, Namamrita. Himself relishes and distributes. Gives it to one and all without discrimination. So wonderfully merciful, wonderfully munificent. That is the only special, the difference between Krishna and Gaura. Nothing else. Is always ecstatic in prema. Prema rasa swadhana. Relishing that mellow prema coming out from this holy name. It's all ecstatic, mad, and makes whole world mad and ecstatic thereby. You understand? This is the only thing. That is stated here. महामादक प्रेम फल, प्रेम फल जई जहाँ तहाँ दान करे प्रेम फल फला स्वादे मत्तलोक होइल सकल. The fruit of love of God is so tasteful that wherever a devotee distributes it, those who relish the fruit anywhere in the world immediately become intoxicated. Such is the result of such relishment. You really relish that. Taste that. Taste and relish that fruit of love. Become intoxicated. That's right. He has become intoxicated, Gaura himself, and he makes others intoxicated. Whole world intoxicated. Do you understand? That is what? The special characteristic of Gauranga. Therefore, Rupa Goswami says, Namo Mahavadhanyayo Krishna Prema Pradayate Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Namne Gaura Tuisena. I pay my obeisance to that Gauranga, who is Krishna Chaitanya, is not different from Krishna, but Mahavadanya Avatar. His most munificent incarnation is Gauranga, who gives Krishna Prema, who gives freely Krishna Prema. No avatar gives. Krishna does not give. But when he comes as Gauranga, he freely gives Krishna Prema. Krishna Nama Mahamantra yahi to svabhav. Jai jape tar Krishna ujujoy. You understand? This is nature of chanting this Krishna Nama Mahamantra. This is nature. One who chants, if he chants pure name, it develops prema, gets prema, becomes intoxicated. It develops greed how to get Krishna. As Radharani says, Kyo sunaila Shyamanam, who lets me hear this so beautiful, sweet, nectarian name Shama that enters in my ear and goes deep into my heart, makes my heart agitated. Makes me agitated, makes me mad, makes me intoxicated. It makes me develop such greed. I cannot survive now without him. How can I get him? That is what. Do you follow my language? This is what. This is the result of chanting this Hare Krishna. Tar Krishna Upujoy Bhav. One who chants this name, holy name, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram. Natural. Do you understand? Develops bhav, that prem bhav, towards Krishna. Yes, it is natural. If you chant really this holy name, pure name, automatically it develops. But your chanting is not pure. Therefore you cannot develop this bhav. You follow Gokul Das. This is most important. This is most important. Mahaprabhu gives us so merciful, so beautiful. But we, Durdaiva Drusi Myahadanina, but we are so rascals. Nam Namakari Baudha Nija Sarva Sakti Tatrarpita Niyamena Smaraneno Kala Etadrusi Tava Krupa Bhagavan Mamapi Durdaiva Drusi Myahadanina. You are so merciful, O Lord. You invested all potentials in your holy name. Etadrusi Tava Krupa, you are so merciful. There is no hard and fast rule. Chanting this holy name, any place, any condition, any time, anybody, anywhere can chant. No restriction. You understand? Vedadrusi tava krupa. Bhagavan mamapi durdevi drusi nyahadanina. But I am such rascal. You give such mercy, you bestow such mercy But I am such rascal, I cannot receive it. Though you give freely, I cannot receive it. I am so rascal, such a rascal. I cannot develop attraction towards it. Huh? I cannot develop attraction, this chanting of holy name. Huh? I cannot develop this bhav. I am devoid of this thing. So rascal. Huh? I am not interested. I cannot develop interest. I cannot develop attraction towards it. I cannot develop such bhav. You are giving such thing indiscriminately, offering this thing, but I cannot receive it, cannot have it. Such unfortunate rascal. Such a rascal, isn't it? Yes. It's not ever heard in any other ages. No, at the advent of Gaura, it has come to us. Gaura na hoito, kemo na hoito. If Gaura would not have come, can we get it? Who would have told us this thing? It's Gaura, isn't it? That is what you should understand. Thank you.